Hi friends, today in this class you will learn trigonometric ratios of some specific angles. Angles are 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90 degrees. How to find these values? Sin 0, sin 30, sin 45, sin 60, sin 90. In the same way other trigonometric ratios values. Let us see it. 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees and 90 degrees. First let us write numbers 0 to 4 in increasing order. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Divide each number by 4. Apply square root for each number. Now simplify. Under root 0 by 4 is 0. Root 1 by root 4. Root 1 value is 1. Root 4 value is 2. 2 ones, 2 twos are. So it will become 1 by root 2. Separating root for numerator and denominators. Then it will become root 3 by 2. This is 1. These are the values of sine. Sin 0 degrees is equal to 0, sin 30 degrees is equal to 1 by 2, sin 45 degrees is equal to 1 by root 2, sin 60 degrees is equal to root 3 by 2 and sin 90 degrees is equal to 1. If we write it in reverse order, we get cos theta values 1, root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2 and 0. Tan theta, that is sin theta by cos theta. So if we divide these two, first row by second row, we will get tan values. 0 by 1, 0. 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2, 1 by root 3. 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 2, 1. 2 cancel, that is equal to root 3. 1 by 0, that is not defined. So tan theta is sin theta by cos theta. Now, sin reciprocal is cosec. If we write the reciprocals of sin theta values, we get cosec theta values. So 0 by 1, it will become 1 by 0. 1 by 0 is not defined. 1 by 2 reciprocal, 2. 1 by root 2 reciprocal, root 2. Root 3 by 2 reciprocal, 2 by root 3. 1 reciprocal, 1 itself. These are cosec values. If we write them in reverse order, we get secant theta values 1, 2 by root 3, root 2, 2 and not defined. Now cot theta, it is reciprocal of tan theta. If we write tan in reverse order, we will get cot values not defined, root 3, 1, 1 by root 3 and 0. So in this way we can find. Using that table, let us solve some problems. Question number 1. Evaluate sin 60 into cos 30 plus sin 30 into cos 60 degrees. Solution. Sin 60 degrees into cos 30 degrees plus sin 30 degrees into cos 60 degrees. From the table, sin 60 value is root 3 by 2. Cos 30 value is root 3 by 2 plus sin 30 value 1 by 2 into cos 60 value 1 by 2. Root 3 by 2 into root 3 by 2 is 3. 2 into 2 is 4 plus 1 into 1 is 1. 2 into 2 is 4. That is equal to 3 plus 1 by 4 is equal to 4 by 4, which is equal to 1. Now question number 2, evaluate 2 tan square 45 degrees plus cos square 30 degrees minus sin square 60 degrees. 2 tan square 45 degrees plus cos square 30 degrees minus sin square 60 degrees. 2 tan 45 value from the table, that is 1. Tan square is there, so 2 into 1 square plus cos 30 value, that is root 3 by 2. Cos square, so root 3 by 2 whole square. Sin 60 value, root 3 by 2 square. This is equal to 2 into 1 plus 3 by 4 minus 3 by 4. This 3 by 4 we can cancel. That is equal to 2 into 1, 2. Question number 3. Evaluate cos 45 degrees by secant 30 degrees plus cosec 30 degrees. Solution. Cos 45 degrees by secant 30 degrees plus cosec 30 degrees is equal to, from the table, cos 45 value 1 by root 2. Secant 30, secant, it is the reciprocal of cos. Cos 30 value is root 3 by 2. So secant 30 is 2 by root 3 plus cosec. Cosec is a reciprocal of sin. Sin 30 degrees is 1 by 2. So cosec 30 is 2 by 1 is equal to, numerator is the same, 1 by root 2. Denominator taking LCM root 3, like a cross multiplication, 2 plus 2 root 3. This is equal to 1 by root 2 into root 3 by 2 plus 2 root 3. That is equal to root 3 by root 2 into 2 plus 2 root 3 is equal to root 3 by 2 root 2 plus 2 root 6. This is the question number 4. Evaluate sin 30 degrees plus tan 45 degrees minus cosec 60 degrees by secant 30 degrees plus cos 60 degrees plus cot 45 degrees. Sin 30 degrees plus tan 45 degrees minus cosec 60 degrees by secant 30 degrees plus cos 60 degrees plus cot 45 degrees. Now, from the table, sin 30 degrees value, that is equal to 1 by 2 plus tan 45 degrees value 1 minus cosec 60 degrees. Cosec, reciprocal of sin. Sin 60 degrees is root 3 by 2. So it is 2 by root 3. Now in denominator, secant 30 degrees. Secant, reciprocal of cos. Cos 30 degrees, root 3 by 2. So secant 30 is 2 by root 3 plus cos 60 degrees 1 by 2 plus cot 45 degrees 1. This is equal to 1 by 2 plus 1. 1 by 2 plus 1, 3 by 2 minus 2 by root 3. In denominator, half plus 1, 3 by 2 plus 2 by root 3. Taking LCM and simplifying. Now 2 root 3, LCM is 2 root 3. Like a cross multiplication, 3 root 3 minus 4. In the same way, in denominator, LCM is 2 root 3. 3 root 3 plus 4. 2 root 3 cancel, that is equal to 3 root 3 minus 4 by 3 root 3 plus 4. Now question number 5. Evaluate 5 cos square 60 degrees plus 4 secant square 30 degrees minus tan square 45 degrees by sin square 30 degrees plus cos square 30 degrees. Given expression is 5 cos square 60 degrees plus 4 secant square 30 degrees minus tan square 45 degrees by sin square 30 degrees plus cos square 30 degrees. That is equal to cos 60 value 1 by 2. So 5 into 1 by 2 whole square plus secant 30. Secant reciprocal of cos. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So secant 30 is 2 by root 3. So 4 into 2 by root 3 whole square minus tan 45. Tan 45 value is 1 minus 1 square by sin 30 degrees 1 by 2 whole square plus cos 30 degrees root 3 by 2 whole square. That is equal to 5 into 1 by 4 plus 4 into 2 square is 4 by 3 minus 1 by denominator 1 by 4 plus root 3 square is 3, 2 square is 4. This is equal to 5 by 4 plus 16 by 3 minus 1 by 1 plus 3 by 4. This is equal to, in denominator, taking LCM and simplifying. LCM is 12. 4 3s are 3 into 5, 15. 3 4s are 4 into 16, 64 minus, their denominator is 1. 1 12s are 12 into 1, 12 by 4 by 4. This is equal to 15 plus 64, 79. 79 minus 12, 67 by 12, 4 by 4, which is equal to 1. That is equal to 67 by 12. Question number 6. If tan a plus b is equal to root 3 and tan a minus b is equal to 1 by root 3, a plus b lies between 0 degrees and 90 degrees, a greater than or equal to b, find a and b. Tan a plus b is equal to root 3. Tan a plus b is equal to root 3. It is the value of tan 60. So in place of root 3 we can write tan 60 degrees. So both sides if we cancel tan, implies a plus b is equal to 60 degrees. This is equation 1. Now let us take second one. Tan a minus b is equal to 1 by root 3. Tan a minus b is equal to 1 by root 3. It is value of tan 30 degrees. So in place of 1 by root 3 we can write tan 30 degrees. Both sides cancelling tan, implies a minus b is equal to 30 degrees. Taking it is as equation 2. By solving these two we will get a and b values. A plus b is equal to 60 degrees. A minus b is equal to 30 degrees. Adding both the equations, these two will get cancelled. 2a is equal to 90 degrees, implies a is equal to 90 by 2, which is equal to 45 degrees. We will write a value in equation 1 or 2 to get b value. So I am writing it in equation 1. Equation 1, a plus b is equal to 60 degrees. 45 degrees plus b is equal to 60 degrees, implies B is equal to 60 minus 45 degrees, which is equal to 15 degrees. Question number 7. If sin A minus B is equal to 1 by 2 and cos A plus B is equal to 1 by 2, 0 less than A plus B less than or equal to 90 degrees, A greater than B, find A and B. It is given sin A minus B is equal to 1 by 2. Sin A minus B is equal to, in sin 1 by 2 we will get for sin 30 degrees. So in place of 1 by 2 we can write sin 30 degrees. So both sides sin will get cancelled, implies A minus B is equal to 30 degrees. It is equation 1. Now second one, cos A plus B is equal to 1 by 2. Cos A plus B is equal to, in cos we get 1 by 2 for cos 60 degrees. So in place of 1 by 2 we will write cos 60 degrees. So both sides the sign will get cancelled, implies A plus B is equal to 60 degrees. Taking it is as equation 2. Now solving these two, A minus B is equal to 30 degrees, A plus B is equal to 60 degrees. Adding both the equations, plus B minus B will get cancelled. 2A is equal to 90 degrees, implies A is equal to 90 by 2, that is equal to 45 degrees. We will write this value in equation 2. Equation 2. A plus B is equal to 60 degrees. A value is 45 degrees plus B is equal to 60 degrees, implies B is equal to 60 degrees minus 45 degrees, that is equal to 15 degrees.